Hello guys, good morning everyone, and we are here on our second set of surprise for today's video, and we are going to Camellia Homes Campitek para i-surprise si Sir Ranel sa kanyang karawan today. And so ayun, nais siyang ipasurpresa ng kanyang minamahal na si Mama Rinalyn all the way from Taiwan, at nais siyang handugan ng isang surpresa ngayong karawan niya. So ayun, ito yung set of package na pili ni Mama Rinalyn para sa kanyang minamahal. Meron niya po pala tayong pahabol dito na foil balloon na white, and of course ang ating color theme na red, blue and white, and of course ang ating banner, and ang ating red ribbon cake, ang ating sash, ang ating customized flower na kulay blue na fresh 6 pieces blue roses. So yun, thank you so much again Ma'am Rinalyn for choosing Surprise and Gift Delivery, for being a part of your partner's birthday celebration surprise today. And of course ang ating red ribbon cake, maraming salamat po again, and sa mga nais mong surprise sa kanila mga masabuhay dito sa Lady and Samar, just contact Surprise and Gift Delivery at kami na po bahalang mag-surprise sa mga naiwan nyo dito. And ayun, thank you so much again everyone. God bless, keep safe, and peace out.